Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Dsers to dropship your product from AliExpress with Shopify. So if you haven't know yet, we can actually create a drop shipping business with Shopify, and you're going to be able to drop ship your products from AliExpress with the help of an application that are integrated to Shopify. So I'm going to show you AliExpress real quick. Right here we got the just the general store, and I'm going to show you that once you install this application on Shopify, changes are going to be made on AliExpress. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you want to go to your Shopify dashboard, go to the application sections, and then you're going to want to type in Dsers. And this is what we're looking for. We're going to install this Dsers AliExpress drop shipping application. So go ahead and click on that and install. And once we've installed it, we're going to want to create an account. And then they're going to show you their plan pricing. So over here, you have two options. You can sell yearly or monthly. And these are the plans that they have. They have the enterprise one, pro one, advanced one, and they also are going to show you the benefits of each plan, and you can read it further if you want. And if you would like to try for their paid account, you can always start with a free trial, but I'm going to use the basic one for now. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the free plan. Next, you're going to want to connect your Dsers to your AliExpress account. So you can go ahead and log into your AliExpress account. If you haven't have one, you can just create it. It's totally free and it's easy to do. Then you can give access to your AliExpress account. All right, once you're done logging into your AliExpress, what you're going to do next is you're going to want to click on this Chrome extension. And you're going to want to add this specific extension to your Chrome. So go ahead and click on Add to Chrome and add extension. All right, now that we got our extension, what's going to happen is you're going to notice that if you open your AliExpress and you try to browse on product, let's say I want to take a look at some ring. Now we have all of this green bar that shows that it's free shipping, and you can also see that there is a add to Dser option. So let's go back to our Dser. It's going to show us the guide, the dropshipping guide, etc. And then you can also try to find product from your Dsers. So go ahead and click on find suppliers, and then let's say you want to try to find rings for women. Go ahead and click on OK. And it's going to show the product that we can put into our Shopify. So let's say that we want this product right here. All we have to do is just to go to that product. It's going to bring us to the AliExpress page. And then you're going to find an add to Dsers option. And if you click on that, it's going to show that the product is successfully imported. All right, so let's try to import directly from AliExpress. Let's see if we can do that. I'm going to try and click on that. Then I'm going to try to import this product like we did before. And as you can see, it is once again imported. And usually when I try to find for some product to be drop shipped and to be inputted into my Shopify store, I like to use the supplier optimizers right here because it's going to give me a product that I want. For example, let's say I want to see if I can find another supplier for this one. So this one actually have quite a great review. So it has like 4.8 review. And I'm going to see if I can find any supplier that is going to have higher review than the one that we've seen earlier. So here are the results. Some of them, well, it doesn't really look exactly the same with the one that I have, that I'm searching for, but it gives me quite a good result. It gives me it gives me product that are quite similar with the one that I was searching for. And you can see that this one actually have better review. So if you ever find a product that you would like to sell, but you are not sure because probably the review or the supplier looks like it cannot be trusted, you can always use the supplier optimizer over here to make you find more product with better supplier. Now you can also have the options to add your product directly to Dsers without having to open the product catalog or without having to open the listing. All you have to do is just click on this add to Dser and it's going to automatically import your product. Now let's take a look at the product that we have imported. So right here, so if you go to your Dser, what you're going to do is you want to go to your import list, and over here you will find all of the product that you have imported earlier. So let's start with this one. You can click on it and then you can edit your product before you put it into your Shopify. So to edit your product, what you want to do is you're going to click on this edit product symbols over here, and then you can start and edit the title, add collections if you have, edit the type. So what you're going to do is you want to edit the title. So most of the time AliExpress title are ridiculously long, so I like to change it. For example, I want this to be just hot or just butterfly ring set. I don't want the title to be super long. Then maybe, and I can also take a look at the variant right here. So you can see that they actually have quite a lot of variant, and if you would like to input all of them, feel free to do so. But if you only want to sell, let's say, one item, all you have to do is just click on this. So let's say I want to remove some of the set. I can just untick it, and then it's not going to be included into my product listing. And you can also edit the prices if you want, and add the description. So the description that are going to be put into my product listing is going to be the exact same one with the one on Alibaba. So if you're okay with it, go ahead and use that one, but you can also edit it if you want to make it more personal. It's totally up to you. And if you're going to not include some of the set or some of the variations from your product, don't forget to remove the pictures from your listing. Next is also going to show you the shipping info, and you can try to find on which countries you will want to ship. Let's take an example. Let's say that we want to ship to Australia, and it's going to show the shippings that are available to that certain countries. And if you're done customizing everything, you can go ahead and save it, and then you can click on these symbols right here to push to store. So here are the things that you can further settings. You can setting the preference. So over here you can actually set your price manually, but I was just following the one on the AliExpress. So yes, I'm going to take on this one, and you can also choose if you would like to continue selling when it's out of stock, or you want to also publish this on online store, or only push product specification. And you'll want to make sure that the Shopify store is the right one, and you can check that by going to your online store. And then you're going to want to click on view your store, and it's going to show, you see, this is the domain name because I don't change my Shopify online store domain name. and it's B70944, and it's the exact same one with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click push to store. Then we wait until the product is finished pushing. And once it's finished, we can go to our Shopify store and let's try to take a look if the product is there. So as you can see, yes, now we've got the product. It's over here. We got all of the specification, the title. We also got the pictures as well as the variant. And you can also change the product price through here if you want to. So for example, I want this to be, let's say 10. And it's going to be changed automatically because there is a difference in the currency. The ones before are using, it's probably dollar. Yeah, it's using dollars. And meanwhile, my Shopify currency are using rupiah. So I will probably have to change everything on my shop so that the currency is going to fit into my actual currency on the Shopify store. So that is one of the things that you would like to pay attention to. Make sure that your currency is the right currency. Make sure to adjust it if the AliExpress doesn't have the same currency with your Shopify store. Make sure to change it before you publish it to your store. And let's see how it looks like on our store. So I'm going to go to our product and see if I can find the ring. So this is it. You can see the variation as well as the picture. So yeah, it works very fine. So that's basically it. That's how you can use Dsers for your Shopify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.